Alright guys, I went by Adventure City here to check out the Rewind Racers construction. Looks like they've got all the track done, brakes, lift hill. They're working on the station. You can see the trains are on the track. They're all tarped up. Maybe they've done some test runs, who knows? See here at the first corner. More construction going on there on the station, some welding going on up there at the top. Possibly some landscaping maybe going on down here. Just a lot of dirt underneath the coaster right now. Doesn't stand very tall, but it'll be a fun little family coaster. I don't know if you guys have seen the layout, but it's similar to a gravity-fed coaster like a boomerang. It pulls you back, you do the track, and then you go up the second hill, and then you drop back down and do another circuit, but this time in reverse. Well, that'll do it for me. This is Braden from In the Loop, checking in at Adventure City in Buena Park, California.